Hi, in this video I will talk about how you can communicate with your system file uh, using Docker. Like when we use any image, normally it will work on your virtual system. It will not communicate with your system files. Like if you have a specific directory in which you want to work, it will not connected by default. Like if I show you Docker images, so I have an image. I will run it on a dash Docker run dash it, then a image name and their version. Okay, dash. Uh, it will activate the virtual system in which only BWA system files or files that available in this image will be available. Uh, like if I show you, I only have a data directory. If I show you here, I have a pin board config data. Let's connect with our E drive. Exit. First of all, we need to do exit. Then what we will do, we will just write docker run dash it, then dash v. It will create a volume. Like I wanna communicate my E drive with the test folder of the image. What this command will do, it will create a test folder, and then in this test folder I will have all my files that are available in my E drive. Let's run this. Now I have my Docker image. Let's go to the test folder. Our test folder ls here. It will show me the all my command. Here I have it. So I'm going to create an index, bwa index of file like that is cd. It will extract it and create an index file in a folder. Just go to the folder and check it. We have here our business data, cdna dot fa. This file here. Now, now the index file is creating. It is creating the index file. So, all for this video.